In today's video, you will learn how to be even healthier by scraping your tongue with a spoon. The tongue is the part of the body that contains the most bacteria, but even so, most people don't worry about cleaning it, which can bring a series of problems. But did you know that this small daily habit can improve your health? This small daily habit helps detox the body, prevents bad breath, reduces tooth wear and tear, and preserves the palate. Another benefit of tongue scraping is that it reduces the buildup of bacteria that causes issues in other body parts, or plaque, which increases the risk of cavities and periodontal diseases. Besides, cleaning your tongue is recommended to prevent a series of microorganisms, fungi, bacteria, and viruses from accumulating on its surface. According to Ayurvedic medicine, scraping the tongue should be part of our daily routines. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. When we don't clean it, the body reabsorbs the things on it, something harmful to our body's imbalance. Isn't it interesting? Have you gotten a look at your tongue today? Besides, this habit should take part during the morning, just after waking up. When we sleep, the digestive system is still active and the body works on eliminating toxins and residues from poor digestion. And guess where most of these residues, bacteria, fungi, and dead cells end up? Our tongue's surface. If we don't scrape our tongues in the morning, these toxins are reabsorbed and cause respiratory and digestive issues. Now that you know the benefits of this simple and super beneficial practice, you must be asking yourself, how do I scrape my tongue? Today there are many different tongue scrapers as seen in this recent video. But you can also scrape your tongue with a spoon. After waking up, wash your face and mouth with water. Then open your mouth wide and place the spoon on the most accessible point of the back of your tongue, as if you were attaching it. Apply gentle pressure and pull the spoon to the front towards the tip of your tongue. This movement should not hurt. Rinse the spoon with warm water after the first scraping. Repeat the process as needed. Rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. Thoroughly clean the spoon with warm water and soap. Then keep it in a dry and clean place. Scrape your tongue every morning on an empty stomach before even drinking water. Easy, practical, and healthy, isn't it? So, did you like learning another way of doing this technique? If you want to learn more about the different tongue scrapers we mentioned before, leave a comment below. We would love to talk more about this subject with you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.